That is smelling like it's ready. There. That smells good. Oh, that sweet potato is so good. Oh, that was good. The meat and the sweet potato, a little bit of salt. Man, that's good stuff. I think it's time to roast a marshmallow. Oh, that was good. Got some lemon pound cake here. Cup of hot chocolate with some cake for dessert. Not too shabby at all. I gotta tell you what, I'm feeling very fortunate right now. Got a nice warm fire. The rain has been really light. I got a full belly. I think there's a really good chance I'm gonna go to bed dry and warm.